Ayan. So again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to the Friday info session, or you can call it as business presentation. And I am your presenter for today or tonight. I am Maria Jeanette Sajonas, taga Pangasinan po, but I built my career in Baguio City. Currently, andito po ako ngayon sa Canada. I was a former anchor and promotions at Sky TV. So TV host po tayo ng Sky Cable Baguio noon. And I also work in the corporate world. So telephone operator po tayo. At the same time, customer service representative sa isang telecommunication dyan sa Pilipinas, PLDT. And I also manage hotels and apartels in Baguio before. And dahil ako po ay single mom ng 4 na mga bata na ngayon ay malalaki na sila, so kailangang madiskarte. So I also ventured on several network marketing just to get some extra income. And I'm also a Reiki practitioner, a Feng Shui consultant. Ayan, so lahat na. Nagka-card reading din tayo noon, no? Lahat nga po ng racket na. Why? Dahil nga po tayo ay nagtataguyod ng 4 na bata. But came 2014 when I decided to be here in Canada to seek greener pasture dahil nung nagkasakit yung aking anak. So she passed away. I got scared. And sabi ko, hindi pa pwede to. I have to do something. So kahit na mahirap ang lumayo sa pamilya, since I have no choice, napunta po tayo dito. So from sales and marketing, na iba yung ating career, napunta tayo sa healthcare. Nung una, medyo napakahirap because hindi ko nilinya ko lang because yun nga, I have mouths to feed until I started to love it, and hanggang ngayon andito pa tayo sa healthcare. I work with seniors. I am on the recreation team and I do one-on-one, so I entertain seniors. And on the side, I am doing Live Good part-time but with full-time attitude. And the reason why I am doing Live Good, syempre, unang-una dahil sa ating health, we are not getting any younger. So naniniwala ako na health is wealth. Unang-una yan. And then I am also thinking of having my retirement income through this industry dahil po napakaganda ng concept, no? And of course, I want to leave a legacy for my family. Alam nyo naman po, lagi, unang-una sa lahat, pamilya. So those are the 3 things bakit po ako andito sa Live Good. And I am so excited to share with you yung opportunity na nakita ko sa Live Good. And this is so different, nakita nyo naman yung mga videos kanina, no? This is not the traditional multi-level marketing that you know. Kakaiba po ito. Today, you will be seeing this industry in a different light. So Live Good will be introducing a new way of doing it. And as you can see, yung pinakita natin kanina na video, related po yun. It's all about the subscription economy, and I want to present to you a way or earning a residual on a $1 trillion global subscription economy. Janet, ano yung sinasabi mo? Okay, so I would like to start right away sa name ng ating company, Live Good, and it is the membership that pays. Now, Janet, bakit membership that pays? So if you remember the last video na plinay ko, si Pat, no? So he was talking about the subscription economy. Ano ba yung subscription economy? It is a subscription model actually. Ito yung concept na ginagawa na ngayon in the marketplace. Now, yung subscription model na yan ay isang model ng business. It is a business model na namamayagpag ngayon. And the reason why, bakit yun ang namamayagpag na model, it is because yun yung nakita ng mga business owners na naka-align sa nangyayari sa economy, na naka-align sa marketplace sa need ng tao. Because right now, ang gusto ng tao is affordability and value. Ang gusto natin, syempre hindi tayo exempted dyan, no? Gusto natin affordable. So people in general, consumers are moving away from expensive products, from expensive things. And we are moving towards affordability and value. Gusto natin affordable, pero gusto natin may value. Okay? That is why ang business ngayon, nakita nila to, they are tapping. So minention nila from education to sports, and wag na nating gawing komplikado, no? Very basic. Some of the subscription model actually ginagawa na natin, our regular monthly bills, no? Yung inyong internet service, yung inyong plan if you have a cell phone plan, yung inyong electric bill and water bill, they are basically subscription. Ang tawag lang doon is monthly bill or maybe plan, no? Now, ano ang meron doon? Ano yung common sa membership na binanggit kanina ni Pat? So, it has a recurring, it has a product or service. Binabayaran mo siya monthly and you get product and service in return. Ang nangyayari is that if you don't pay that product and service, nai-interrupt siya, right? So, ang kaibahan, si Live Good is the subscription model, or it is the membership that pays, no? So, subscription siya pero babayaran ka. How is that? Di ba? Ayan, so yun ang very exciting sa pag-uusapan natin ngayon. And para mas makita nyo, para mas malinaw, para mas maging, anong tawag mo dito, mas clear, no? Ipakita natin yung mga very popular memberships sa ngayon in the marketplace. And I'm pretty sure familiar po kayo since you have your own cellphone. Sino dito ang walang cellphone? I'm pretty sure lahat meron. Yan. So, popular membership, Amazon. Amazon Prime. Si Amazon, nag-umpisa noong 1995, pero nag-start siya to be a subscription model noong 2005. No? So I am a Amazon Prime member and I get to enjoy my membership kasi I could have the same day delivery, and then ang ano niyan, no, binabayaran ko yan monthly 14.99 in exchange for anong klaseng service? Yun nga, same day delivery. I could purchase some items na pag Prime member ka, pwedeng i-deliver the next day or minsan same day, no? And also, meron kang additional perks doon. You get a credit every month. Yung credit na yun, pwede mong gamitin to buy a book online or to read, to listen to a book online, yung via Audible. And also, pwede ka ding makapanood ng movie if you are an Amazon Prime member, no? And yung movies, talagang yun yung sumasabay kung ano yung nandun sa sinehan or sa cinema, no? And currently, guess, tignan nyo kung ilan ang Amazon Prime members ngayon. 200 million members. 200 million members. You heard that right. Yan. Another popular membership, si Netflix. Ano ang service ni Netflix? Wide variety of movies. Magkano ang babayaran natin per month? 9.99? Depende kung ilang users yan. Pwedeng 15.49 or 19.99 per month. And actually, si Netflix, dinisrupt na niya ang cinema, no? Halos wala nang nanonood ng sine. Kasi mas nai-enjoy na nila ang Netflix because you get to enjoy it. Pag nag-subscribe ka, meron kang connection at the comfort of your home, bumili ka lang ng popcorn or pizza, ipa-deliver mo, and then mai-enjoy mo na siya. Hindi lang isang movie. A lot of movies, no? That is why ilang members ngayon si Netflix? 240 million members. And they're still counting. Yan. So another membership, Sam's Club and Costco, mga wholesale club yung mga yan. Malaki na supermart na talagang mai-enjoy mo siya, no? I'm a Costco member din, so I pay $120 per year in exchange of anong klaseng service. Of course, huge discount. Janet, 120, nababawi mo ba yan? Of course. Bakit? Kasi malaki talaga yung discount. Costco member ka. One item alone. Lagi kong sinasabi to every presentation, itong gamit ko po na headset. I bought this sa Costco ng $69. Nung gusto kong bumili uli, since naka-promo lang po ito, no? Kasi ang ginagawa ng mga business owners, ipopromote muna nila sa Costco for a certain period of time, 1 week o kaya 10 days, and then after that, dadalin sa mall. Ngayon, after that 1 week, gusto kong bumili, bumalik ako, wala na. Pinapunta ako sa mall kung saan meron, doubled na yung price, 130 na. So imagine yun, $60 kaagad yung natipid ko with one product alone. Kaya bawing-bawi po ako doon sa binabayaran per year. And tignan nyo ha, si Costco may 123 million members na. Yan. And also Disney Plus, similar kay Netflix, binabayaran din siya ng 10.99 per month or per year yan, 109.99. Anong meron service sa Disney Plus? Kagaya din ni Netflix. Wide variety of movies. Anong pagkakaiba? Ang pinapalabas nila sa Disney Plus are the films produced by, of course, Disney Productions. No? And to date, Disney Plus has 150 million members. So you have to see that these members, no, are millions, no? Huge. Anong ibig sabihin yan? The message is this, very significant yung number. This just proves that membership clubs or membership or subscription-based companies are on upward trajectory. So, papataas siya. So, ano ibig sabihin? Membership clubs or subscription-based model companies are, or subscription-based model are the future of commerce. So, yun. So, nakita yon ng ating corporate team na trending. Ito yung in ngayon. So, sige, let us adapt a company na membership model na subscription-based ang concept. And yun ang in-infuse sa ating company na LiveGood. Okay? The very first company ever in the history of multi-level marketing na nagkaroon ng ganitong model. That is why we are called the disruptive company, because we created a great disruption in the MLM industry. No? Yan. And of course, yan, sa mga nabanggit natin na mga membership club like Amazon Prime, Costco, Sam's Club, Netflix, and Disney, although we have some services and products, these companies does not pay us. Sa LiveGood, yun ang edge natin because it is the membership that pays. So on top of those discounts, on top of the benefits that we get, babayaran pa tayo ni LiveGood. Why? Malalaman nyo later on kung paano ka babayaran ni LiveGood, no? Yan. And just a backstory para mas ma-appreciate ninyo kung saan tayo papunta. Konting backstory lang sa kwento ni Amazon, no? Si Amazon is a platform na nag-umpisa ng July 16, 1995, and he officially launched his business in selling books online. No? So doon nag-umpisa si Amazon. And then in the early 2000s, nag-expand siya. He went well beyond books and then videos and music. Nag-offer din siya ng clothing, electronics, toys, kitchenware, magazine subscriptions, you name it, meron lahat sa Amazon. Ano pa ang wala sa Amazon? So si Amazon, andyan na lahat sa kanyang platform, no? And actually, dinisrupt din niya ang, masasabi natin na dinisrupt din niya ang mall o kaya yung mga other stores, no? Dahil nga lahat pwede mo nang makita sa Amazon eh. Like even me, if I want to buy something, nagse-search ako Amazon kaagad eh. Since I'm an Amazon Prime member, meron talaga lahat. From yun nga, halos lahat, no? So, hindi ko na kailangang mamasahe at pumunta ng mall. So, it saves me time and, of course, mas convenient para sa atin, right? Ayan. Ngayon, si LiveGood naman, kung si Amazon nag-umpisa noong 1995, si LiveGood, nag-launch siya globally on December 13, 2022 from Jupiter, Florida, with its business model of a wholesale membership club. So pinattern natin ang ating model kay Costco, or we could say kay Amazon. No? Yan. So online din po tayo, and then again, ang ating business model, wholesale membership club. Okay, and it is the first home-based business opportunity that profit shares its membership revenue with affiliates. So si Live Good, sinishare niya ang kanyang profit or revenue sa mga affiliates. Who are the affiliates? Actually, pwede tayong maging affiliates. Okay? I-discuss natin yan later. Again, para magkaroon ng retention sa inyo, sa inyong isip, Live Good is the membership that pays. And take note, napaka-importante po nito, Live Good's revenue comes from the membership and not from the product sales. So ano ibig sabihin nito? Ibig sabihin, hindi po tayo driven sa hindi tayo product driven, meaning we are not required na magbenta. Okay? Tatandaan nyo yan. So, if you were in a multi-level marketing company before, ang traditional na multi-level is you have to push the products, you have to sell product. Diba? Yun yung traditional way of doing it. Ngayon, Live Good took care of that sick care model. So it's trying to fix the sick care model of this industry. Kaya tinawag na disruption, diba? Binago na that you are not required to sell here. So kagaya ng Amazon, ng Costco, ng Sam's, ng Netflix, ng Disney, once you become a member, hindi ka magbibenta dito. Sinabi ba ni Amazon na member ka na, magbenta ka ng product ng Amazon. Costco member ka na, magbenta ka. Or i-push mo yung product ng Costco. No. Because we are a membership club, nakagaya ng mga binanggit natin, we are not required to sell. Okay? We are not required to buy. Pero pwede kang bumili. No? So, you could buy whenever you want, whenever you need it. Pwede kang bumili ng isa, pwede kang bumili ng marami. Ganun po yun, no? But, again, hindi po mandatory na magbebenta tayo. Hindi din mandatory na bibili tayo. Okay? Yan. So, ang good news is, because of this model, alam nyo ba na after 13 months na hit natin ang 1 million members, no? The first ever in the history of network marketing na nagkaroon ng 1 million members ang isang multi-level marketing. Ilang years na ang ganitong industriya? Almost 100 years. First time ever in the history of network marketing, no? And to date, we are approaching 1,500,000 on our 20th month. And alam nyo ba po na on its first year, nakapag-payout na si Live Good ng $50 million. Yes, $50 million po. And ang latest na binanggit ni Ben in one of the corporate Zooms was nasa 70 to 80 million na ang napa-payout niya. So imagine that, no? And good news, hundreds of people are joining every hour. So ibig sabihin lang yan, merong nakita ang mga tao bakit ganun tayo kabilis. And narinig nyo naman din yung video kanina na we are set to reach 20 to 30 million. So we are just getting started. Kaya yung numbers natin na 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 million, wala pa yan. Nakita nyo naman yung numbers ng ibang membership club, right? 200 million, 195 million. So, eto wala pa. So, you are in the right place at the right time because we have not scratched the surface yet. Diba? Yan. And of course, syempre, napaka-importante, if you want to join a company, isang element na dapat natignan nyo is the credibility of the company or who are the people behind sa company. right? So starting off with the mastermind or the brainchild of the company, Mr. Ben Glinsky. Siya po ang ating CEO. And he has over 20 years experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry. So, si Ben po, expert na yan. Ang dami na niyang pinatakbong company. And he is also an IT guy, a consultant ng iba't ibang company. In fact, I was in his previous company before. And ang masasabi ko lang po is, never kaming na-late sa payout. And talagang systematic lahat. Ngayon, just that company, nung pinapatakbo niya, nakita niya, that's where he saw na sa industriya pala na ganito, there are only 1% of the distributors average na kumikita ng $3,000 to $5,000 a month. And then 4% ng distributors sa ganitong industriya, $300 to $500 per month ang kinikita. Now, nag-compute siya, he did the math. So saan napunta yung 95% ng mga distributors? Nakita niya na yung 95% ng distributors ng ganitong industriya, hindi kumikita, worst, abonado pa. So he was not happy kasi ang sabi niya, ang concept ng ganitong industriya, you build this for 2 to 3 years and then you can have your solid residual income. Pero it's not happening, sabi niya. So it is hurting people. It is not helping people. Sabi niya, so he walked away from the industry. Yung company niya, hindi po niya clinose. He collaborated with a company na pareho pa rin nag-ooperate on the same model. So, doon ko siya hinangaan. Bakit? Dahil hindi niya pinabayaan yung mga distributors niya. He made sure that his distributors are well taken care of. And then, after 6 years, so, nag-uusap sila ng kanyang business partner na makikita nyo din mamaya. Na sabi niya, someone has to do a model na affordable yung products. Yeah, someone has to do it. Until such time na sila na ang nag-conceptualize then. That is why Live Good was created, no? So, bukod sa kanya, meron tayong mga co-founders, starting off with Dr. Ryan Goodkin, the Director of Product Development. He has a doctorate degree sa pharmacy and also in science and nutrition. And then, meron din siyang unique background as a pharmacist and as a natural health practitioner. Siya ang formulator natin, and Dr. Ryan, very, meticuloso, very thorough, very detailed, and he made sure na yung mga ingredients malinis talaga. In fact, kilala niya yung mga farmers. In fact, alam niya kung saan nanggagaling mga produkto, paano ine-extract. So rest assured na yung mga products natin are fungicide-free, herbicide-free, pesticides-free, chemical-free, toxic-free. Bakit? Kasi ang sabi niya, I formulate the products for my family to use. And I want to share it with the world. O, di ba? Napakagandang mission niya, di ba? And of course, yung kanyang partner in life and dito sa Live Good, we have Lisa Goodkin, our Director of Product Education. Meron din siyang background sa science and nutrition, and of course, exercise and physiology. And if you want to, you want to know how it feels or how is it to have a healthy lifestyle, she is the go-to person. So, embodiment siya ng health and wellness. Kung gusto mong malaman kung ano yung dapat mong ipasok sa katawan mo, anong magandang diet, anong magandang healthy foods, then Lisa is the go-to person. Talagang very responsive siya. Mag-email ka lang. Ilang beses na ako nag-email sa kanya. Talagang hindi shortcut yung mga messages niya. He made sure na talagang full of substance at talagang ibibigay niya sa iyo lahat ng information doon sa tanong mo. Okay? And of course, we have Noder Kazan, our icon, the icon of network marketing, no? A legend. in the network marketing space, and he is the director of field development. So si Noder also has mentored a lot of people. He trained a lot of people. He helped a lot of people. And lagi siyang busy. He is in the Zoom every single day. 15 to 20 Zooms a day. Different groups yan. And he is a philanthropist. No? Yan. So talagang makikita mo yung corporate team, they have a mission and they have a passion para sa everyday people. And the mission actually of Live Good is to get everyone healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Yan. So, naka-align sila dyan, and it is meant, this concept is meant for the everyday people. So, ibig sabihin, pangmasa po ang Live Good. No? Yan. And of course, we started with high quality, organic, certified, very affordable, natural products. So we have these products na wholesale and of course, high quality, but at the lowest price. So gone were the days na sinasabi natin na siguro mahal yan, high quality. Wala na po yon. Dinisrupt na din ni Live Good yung idea na, yung concept na pag mahal, better quality. Hindi na po. Affordable, pero best quality. Because talaga naman, ang ating mga products are USDA certified, GMP approved, meron pang certificate of analysis, and we have a 90-day empty bottle money back guarantee. Yes. Ana? Okay, so just to mention a few, lilipat lang tayo ng, okay. Yeah, just to mention a few of the products, no? Para mas ma-appreciate nyo, yung sinabi ko, yung premise na sinabi ko na we have the highest quality at the lowest price. I want to prove that by showing you this slide, no? Ito, tatlong products. Makikita nyo, magpa-price compare kaagad tayo. Okay? So, itong nasa ibaba are a few of our products, no? We have the Super Greens na $18 lang. And talaga namang power pack yan, no? It's packed with all the greens that you know. Name it. Barley, wheatgrass, moringa, dandelion, spirulina, aloe vera, and so many more. And this is for our gut support and also for cleansing and for immune support. So kung hindi ka nagkakakain ng greens, it is time for you to eat the greens. And magkano siya? $18 lang. Try to search other products. Nako po, talagang totoo yan. Yung competitor price, $99.99. Totoo po yan. Ganon kamahal sa ating competitor, no? Actually, was it Saturday, napunta ako sa Walmart. Ang pinakamura na Super Greens na nakita ko was like 40 plus. Ang liit-liit pa nung bottle, no? Yan. So we also have protein, no? Plant-based protein for only $22. Nako, pack yan with a lot of amino acids and essential aminos. No, maganda yan for our muscle kasi one sign of aging is muscle loss. So normal na tayo ay tumatanda, but it is okay kung i-delay muna para we could age gracefully. And our protein is only $22 versus, tignan nyo yung competitor price sa itaas, $62.95. Third product, we have the collagen peptides for only $27.95. And ang collagen natin, it is hydrolyzed collagen, meaning madaling i-absorb ng katawan natin. And bakit natin kailangan ng collagen? Because as we age, as early as mid-20s, nagdi-deplete na yung collagen natin sa katawan. And you know what collagen is? It is that thing that holds the body together. And by the way, trivia tayo ng konti. Collagen came from the Greek word kolla, which means glue. So the collagen is the one that holds the body together. Ngayon, pag nagdi-deplete yan, ano ang nangyayari? Pag nag-deplete yan, it's either nagkakaroon ka ng sagging skin, nagkakaroon ka ng brittle nails, nagkakaroon ka ng hair loss, nagkakaroon ka ng, poor joints, no? So, ang dami ng sakit-sakit dyan. Yung joints, yung muscles, yan. So, you have to supplement yourself with collagen. Ang maganda sa collagen natin, it is bovine source. No? Ano ibig sabihin, Janet, pag bovine source? Ang bovine is nanggaling sa collagen ng beef. No? Bakit beef ang ginamit? Pwede namang chicken, pwede namang fish, pwede namang iba't ibang collagen dyan. Bakit bovine source? Bakit yung galing sa beef? Kasi yun yung malapit sa natural collagen, sa human collagen. Okay? For only 27.95 and ang competitor natin 79.96. Sa tatlong product na yan, we can save $174.95. Meaning, ang mga products natin, pag kinumpare mo sa competitor at iba't ibang network marketing companies, we save that amount or even more. Meaning, $1 save is $1 earn. Kung ganyan kalaki ang savings mo, 174.95, i-convert mo yan sa pesos, pwede mo nang pamalengke or pwede nang pambili ng iba't ibang product kung ganyan ang natitipid mo. So, ito na yung sinasabi nga natin na $1 save is $1 earned kasi pwede mo siyang, pwede mong gamitin yung savings mo na pambili ng ibang produkto or pambili ng ibang kailangan mo. Pwedeng sa kusina, pwedeng sa everyday na ulam mo, right? Yan. So, what is really the message here? The message here is we are creating value, no? Actually, si Live Good is a revolution. And what created Live Good, a revolution, is the value that we have a high-quality product at the lowest price. Inuulit ko yan para ma-retain sa inyo. And ito pa, we have this special pack. It's the International Wellness Pack kung saan merong 6 products na, hindi lang basta product, they are essential products. Essential meaning kailangan natin ito. How much is it? $89.95. Only pag member ka. 6 na product yan. Okay? And para mas ma-appreciate nyo, magbabanggit lang tayo ng konting information about that because this is very important and this is also the products that you need. Again, essential products to. Number 1, we have the Bioactive Complete Vitamin for men or women. Sino dito ang hindi nagva-vitamins sa inyo? You need that, no? Ang maganda sa vitamin natin is it has 24 ingredients and magkaiba ang vitamins ng men and women dahil magkaiba ang kanilang physiological needs. Ang lalaki kailangan ng selenium, ang babae kailangan ng iron, right? Ayan. So, bakit kailangan ng lalaki ang selenium? For their prostate health. Bakit yung babae kailangan ng iron? To compensate their menstrual loss. Okay? Yan. D3K2, yung ating sunlight vitamin, also for immune support, also for weight management. No, napaka-importante yan. Number 3, the Ultra Magnesium Complex. Napakaganda nito dahil magnesium glycinate siya, madaling i-absorb ng katawan. And ang magnesium pala, it is responsible for 300 chemical reactions in the body. Pag kulang ka sa magnesium, anong nangyayari? It can lead to serious illnesses like high blood pressure, diabetes, anxiety, any disease, no? Diabetes, cardiovascular problems, no? Or heart problems. Or any disease that you can think of. So, I have asked a lot of friends, I asked their supplement. Ang laging sinasabi nila, hindi nawawala sa listahan ang magnesium. Ang kaibahan ng Ultra Magnesium Complex natin, bukod sa price, no? Yan, is the content niya, no? Na yun nga, glycinate siya, madaling i-absorb ng katawan. Usually, ang meron sa market is magnesium citrate. So, you could search that in the internet as well. Okay, we have organic super greens. Binanggit na natin kanina kung anong meron sa super greens that is good for cleansing, good for gut support. Yan, and immune support as well. So, meron tayong organic super reds. Kung may super greens tayo, meron din tayong super reds. Ano ang function nun? For your heart, no? Napakahalagang pangalagaan ang ating mga puso dahil habang tayo ay as we age, no? As we go mature. Wag nang as we tumatanda, no? Nagkakaroon din ng nagdi-deplete din tayo sa ating nitric oxide, no? So napaka-importante na meron tayong super reds. That is for our cardiovascular health or for our heart. So lahat ng may puso, pwede ang super reds, okay? And yung ating factor 4 anti-inflammatory product, no? Ano ang meron dito? Naku po, power product yan. Actually, top seller natin yan, no? Top selling product. Bakit? It has 4 anti-inflammatory ingredients na commonly or usually binibili yan separately. So, ano yung 4 important ingredients na yan? Fish oil, curcumin, ano pa yung isa? Garlic, and then CoQ10. So, yan, ginagamit yan at binibili separately kung meron tayong inflammation sa katawan. But with Live Good, pinagsama-sama yung 4 na yan. Ano ang function o para saan yung factor 4 na yan? Good for chronic pain. Good for, or it could relieve or prevent inflammation. And bakit kailangan, Janet, i-prevent ang inflammation? Because it is the root cause of all diseases. So, ang nakakatakot, ang inflammation nangyayari sa loob ng katawan. So, in order for us to prevent that, we need to take our factor 4, no? Advanced formula for anti-inflammation. You could take it, you could start with 1 or 2, or you could go as high as 6 capsules a day. Depende kung ano yung circumstance mo, no? And this pack is being shipped globally. Free shipping po siya. Okay? So, again, 89.95 pag member ka. Pag hindi ka member, 139.95. So, ilan ang natitipid mo pag member ka? $40. Yan. Okay? Yan. So, we have more products actually, no? Lemonade Hydration Amplifier. We need this product as well for energy and vibrance, para sa ating mental clarity, for our muscle performance, and of course, to increase our electrolyte. Janet, hindi ba enough na iinom ako ng tubig? Hindi. Bakit? Kasi laging nadideplete yung electrolytes natin. Janet, paano nadideplete yung electrolytes natin? Your everyday stress. Pag nagyoyosi ka, pag umiinom ka, pag nag-exercise ka. So, nakukulangan tayo ng sodium and other important nutrients, important nutrients sa katawan natin. So, we need this hydration amplifier. Okay? At ang maganda nito, it could move yung waste natin out of our cells. So, pati yung pag hindi ka kasi hydrated, no? Nagkakaroon ka din ng imbalance sa katawan. So, you have to stay hydrated para ma-regulate lahat. Your heart rate, yung rhythm ng heart mo, and then yung blood pressure mo, mas nagiging stable pag ikaw ay hydrated. At the same time, binabalance yung pH levels natin, no? Yan, so we need this. This is also an essential product. We don't, Dr. Ryan don't create product na hindi natin kailangan. He listens actually sa suggestions and then yun ang pino-formulate. Also, ito na yung bagong pack ng ating organic complete plant-based protein, no? So yung kanina na naka-canister siya, for 15 days supply yon. Ngayon meron na tayong for 30 days. So plant proteins ito, and we have all essential amino acids. Yan. Okay. So, Marami pa eh. Meron pang lean. If you want to burn fats without losing muscle, we have the lean. Meron pang hormonal balance for women. And of course, soon to come ang ating for men. And we are also tapping our skincare, our household materials, no? Ayan. So, nako, there are a lot more to come sa products natin. And Live Good will be the Amazon of social marketing. Yes, it will be the next Amazon of social marketing. It will be the Amazon of network marketing. But take note that Live Good is not a health and wellness company. Nag-umpisa lang tayo sa health products. It is because of the pandemic, no? Yeah. So kung makikita ninyo, it has been launched with health and well-being products because of COVID and of course the elevated awareness of preventative healthcare. So meaning, ni-launch ang mga health products because the corporate team believe that we need to supplement ourselves because supplementation is non-negotiable. Ibig sabihin, kailangan natin yan. And ang health or being healthy is not a passing trend. Ibig sabihin, magpapaka-healthy ka lang kung dahil uso, makikiuso ako dahil uso ang healthy ngayon. No, it should be a commitment to yourself. First things first, you have to think of your health before even thinking about making money. So napaka-importante po ang maging healthy, especially if you are a breadwinner. Naku po, pangalagaan niyo po ang inyong kalusugan because it will be useless lahat ng mga pinaghirapan mo pag nagkasakit ka, kung doon lang mapupunta, useless din. Meron yung kasabihan na nung bata tayo, no, when we were young, we try to invest on our health to gain wealth. So nagiging puhunan natin ang health natin para mag-gain ng wealth. Wag naman na at the end of the day, yung na-gain mo na wealth, yung naipon mo, yun ang gagamitin mo din para i-regain yung health mo. Wag naman po sana. So there should always be a balance, no? As you gain wealth, you should also gain health. Okay? Again, being healthy is non-negotiable. Okay? Ayan. So, okay ho ba? Are you learning? Are you learning? You can comment po, ha? Ayan. Or, yeah, just say, ayan. So, ayan, thank you. Thank you, Coach Fernan. Ayan, Ma'am Eden, thank you. And of course, si Miss Michelle. Ayan, Sir Roman. Ayan, thank you, thank you. Ayan. So, we just started with health and wellness. Later on, we are tapping another space, other industries like travel. Pwede tayong maglagay ng travel products, household products, it's in the pipeline. Is skincare, malapit na rin, kulang na lang yung stamp, water filters, online services, and in fact, na-tap na natin yung prescription space. Ano ibig sabihin nun? We already have a weight loss product, although available pa lang yun sa USA, no? And that weight loss product, alam nyo ba na meron ng 40 million users in the US. Ibig sabihin, may gumagamit na nun. Ngayon, ang kagandahan nun, because we already have the ammunition, meron na tayong buying power na 1.4 million na tao, no? So, yung company na yon, yung pharmaceutical company na yon, nakipag-collaborate with us. And binigyan tayo ng special, exclusive price na yung product na yon, pag bibilin mo sa labas, like nasa $399. But, binigyan tayo ng exclusivity na pag bumili ka sa Live Good, but of course, you have to be a member, $199 lang. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? If this 40 million users will find out that we have this product, ano mangyayari? Magpapa-member sila, right? And pag nagpa-member sila, ano mangyayari? Then they would see other supplements of Live Good. So magkakaroon yan ng transition na makikita nila ang supplement that they need supplementation as well. Dahil pag umiinom ka ng prescriptive drug po yun. Ibig sabihin, pag prescriptive drug, piniprescribe ng doctor yun, no? Hindi ka basta-basta bibili. So, meron tayong network of doctors na gagawa nun. Ngayon, habang umiinom ka kasi ng mga ganyan na prescriptive drug, nawawala yung nutrient and minerals mo sa katawan. So, it would create awareness, kailangan natin ng mag-supplements. Then, we can offer Live Good supplements. Yun po yun, no? So, we are not a proponent of drug. We are not a promoter of drug. We are not a proponent of drugs. But, it is meant para yung 40 million users na yan, yung potential na 40 million users na yan, makita nila ang other products na meron tayo. Okay? Yan. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Well, then ibig sabihin nun, it will make Live Good increase in numbers. No? Ayan. So, nakita niyo yung video. 20 to 30 million in how many years? Doon po tayo papunta. Okay? Ayan. And I will give you more reasons why you have to join Live Good. Number one, amazing products. Binanggit ko, konti pa lang yan. Actually, meron na tayong 30 products ngayon. So, yun yun. Number two, we have incredible wholesale pricing. Nakita nyo naman gaano kaganda at kalaki ang discount or savings, savings pag kinumpare mo sa iba. Third reason, meron tayong 90-day empty bottle money back guarantee. If by chance hindi mo nagustuhan yung product natin, no questions asked, pwede mong ibalik kay Live Good. Wala nang investigasyon, no? Bakit? Ang sabi ni Live Good, sabi ni Ben, we don't want to take your money if you are not happy with it, if sa tingin mo walang nagawang maganda sa'yo. Okay? Yan. And number four, there's nothing to buy or sell. No auto shipping. Once you become a part of Live Good, again, you are not required to sell, you are not required to buy, you are not required to purchase monthly, walang auto ship. But you could buy the products whenever, whatever, how much, how little, pwede mong gawin yan. Okay? And fifth reason, we have a very powerful compensation plan that later on we are approaching to discuss it. Simple, powerful, duplicatable, and the doability factor ng ating compensation plan, hay nako. Well, there are so many affiliates who have been in the past or in some other network marketing, and sila na mismo ang magsasabi na it is very doable. And in fact, yung mga leaders natin na mga yan and affiliates, nanggaling na sila sa iba't ibang company, they find it Live Good as doable. Kaya napakadali sa kanila, especially if they have set of network, no? If you want to do the business side. Okay? Number 6, we have timing. Alam naman natin that timing is everything. It was just launched. You are not too late sa Live Good. Hindi pa nag-uumpisa. Nagwa-warm up pa lang tayo, meaning we have not scratched the surface yet. Hindi pa nakikis-kis yung surface, no? Yan. So, timing is everything. Naririnig nyo yan lagi. So, you are in the right place at the right place at the right time. Ang tanong, will you be the right person for this company? Yon ang sasagutin nyo at the end of the presentation. Okay? And eto na. Okay, Janet, ang dami mo nang sinabi. Nabanggit mo na yung profile ng company, binanggit mo na yung products. Gustong-gusto ko nang sumali dyan. Paano ba yan, Janet? Okay, pwede kang maging member, pwede kang maging affiliate. Okay, so as a member, you only need to pay or you only need to subscribe. How much? $9.95 per month or 590 pesos. Ano ang benefit mo when you become a member? Of course, yung ating affordable wholesale price products na talaga namang pag kinumpare mo sa iba, ilan ang natitipid mo? 75%. Tapos highest quality pa. Tapos USDA certified, GMP approved, may empty bottle money back guarantee pa. Ano pa ang hihilingin mo, no? So, yan yon pag member. Now, the good news is, eto ang best part. Alam mo ba na pwede kang magnegosyo sa Live Good by being an affiliate? Naku, magbibenta yata ako dyan. Sabi mo kanina, Janet, walang bentahan. Walang bentahan dito. Hindi ka required magbenta, hindi din mandatory. The only thing you have to do is to be an affiliate, and you only need to pay $40 one time, lifetime, forever. No? Plus your one time now $40, no? And affiliate fee ang tawag doon. Plus yung first month mo na 9.95, a total of $49.95. May negosyo ka na, 3,000. Negosyo mo hindi local, global. Negosyo mo 200 in 200 plus countries. Or kung gusto mong tapusin yung 1-year subscription mo, go for the $139.95. Bakit? Kasi pag yun ang ginawa mo, you save $20 and then libre na yung 2 months mo. So magninegosyo ka din lang, ito, doon mo na, 8,000. 8,000 sa Philippine peso, global. Ibig sabihin, pwede mong gawin yung negosyo mo dun sa 230 countries na yon. So, ano ang ibig sabihin yan? International ang business mo. Come to think of it, anong negosyo meron sa 8,000? Local. Meron ba? Sari-sari store, food cart, ano itsura ng sari-sari store mo sa 8,000 pesos? Food cart business, magkano ang food cart ngayon? Yung permits mo pa, yung magbabantay pa. Now, you have a business sa Live Good for only 8,000 pesos, international, para kang may franchise niyan. Bakit, Janet? Because we are using the power of leverage. Ano yung leveraging or ano yung leverage, Janet? Leveraging, the concept of leverage is you multiply your time through others. Dahil in 230 countries tayo, every person na pag-sharean mo ng Live Good is called your franchise. Ibig sabihin, dahil magkakaiba yung time zone natin, pwede kang kumita kahit natutulog ka. Literal yon. Right? How would you like that business? Imagine, tulog ka na, kikita ka pa. Walang hype ito because of the power of leveraging. Paano mangyayari yon, Janet? Mamaya, wag kang masyadong hot. Ito na. Pero before that, syempre, bago ka maging member, bago ka maging affiliate, you have to grab the link from the person that invited you today. Kailangan mo ng sponsor. Kailangan mo nung tao na nag-invite sa'yo dito. No? Yon yung isang requirement. So, whoever invited you, yung nag-tag sa'yo dyan po sa FB Live at dito, that will be your sponsor. Yes, ma'am. Grabe talaga. Ayan. Ma'am Elizabeth, ayan. Good morning, watching from Laguna. Oh, di ba? Exciting, di ba? Na-excite na ba kayo? Sige na ba? Excite. Oh, di ba? Ito na. Okay, brace yourselves. Ito na tayo. We have not 1, not 2, not 3, but 7 ways to earn. In fact, 8 ways yan. Pinagsama na yung number 7 and 8, no? Sa isang isang way, kaya 7, pero actually 8 ways to earn yan. Okay, thank you, Ma'am Pinky. Ayan. Okay. So, Ma'am Myrene, English presentation is done. Meron po kay Kelly and Jessie, and of course, our very own Ben and the corporate team po. Nalipat po sa 12 noon. Okay, here we go. Let's dive in sa 7 ways to earn. First way, yan, kung hindi pa kayo familiar, listen up. Weekly fast start commissions, or we call it the quick money. Bakit quick money? Dahil binibigay ito weekly. Okay, paano yan, Janet? Oh, nag-enter na kayo or nag-register na kayo as an affiliate. What's next? Okay, eto na ngayon. Once you become an affiliate, syempre, na-excite ka, nakita mo yung compensation plan or nakita mong maganda yung products, what will you do? Syempre, you have to share, no? This opportunity. You have to share Live Good. The good news, sa bawat tao na pag-sharean mo at na-excite, nakita yung concept, gaano kaganda. Every person na nag-enroll, $49.95, meron kang fast start commission na $25. Magkano ang $25? 1,400. Magkano ang minimum wage dyan sa Pilipinas? 600 per day, 8 hours, 12 hours. Mamamasahe ka, magme-makeup ka, magbibihis ka, na-traffic ka pa, pagdating mo pagod ka na. 'Di ba? Dito, you're doing it online, you share it, gawin mong smart yung iyong phone talaga, no? You have a smartphone, 'di ba? Yan. So, gawin mong smart talaga yan by doing the business. You share it with everyone you know. Pag may nag-enroll dyan, may $25 ka. Saang parte? In 230 countries. Japan, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, US, Philippines, Vietnam, Indonesia, China, kahit saan. Basta nandun sa 200 countries. Okay? Now, ganito yan. Pag nag-refer ka ng 10, may cut-off tayo. Okay? So, ang cut-off natin hanggang mamaya po, halimbawa lang, nag-refer ka ng 10 dahil ang dami mo, nakita mo yung contact list mo sa cellphone. Aba, puro mahilig magnegosyo. Sige, share ko lahat. Nag-enroll lahat. 10. 25 times 10, meron ka ng $250 fast start commission, makukuha mo yun next week. O, di ba? Maganda o napakaganda. Ayan. Hello, Ma'am Jessa from Houston, Texas. Ayan. Okay. Ito yon. Hindi nagtatapos ang weekly fast start sa $25. Dahil meron tayong ranking dito. So mag-uumpisa lahat tayo unrank. So may 50% ka from the $49.95. Diba? Ngayon, once you become an affiliate of Live Good, ang i-goal mo, mag-bronze. 24 to 48 hours or hanggang 1 week, mag-bronze ka. Janet, baka naman napakahirap niyan. Mahirap ba ang kumuha ng dalawa na kasing sipag mo, kasing ganda mo, kasing resilient mo, gustong mabago ang buhay, determinadong yumaman, o kahit na may extra income? Napakahirap ba? Dalawa lang. So once you become bronze, meron kang additional 10% fast start commission. Saan ko kukunin yon? Paano ko magbe-benefit dyan? Remember, ikaw po, nag-share sa dalawa, bronze ka po. So anong gagawin nitong dalawang to? Siyempre, gagayahin ka din nila. Gusto kong mag-bronze. So kukuha din yan ng dalawa. Ngayon, sila, dahil sila ang kumuha, may $25 sila. Ngayon, kahit na hindi na ikaw ang kumuha directly dahil bronze ka, meron kang additional 10%. Hindi mo kilala, pwedeng hindi mo kilala, pwedeng kilala mo, pero meron ka pang overriding commission na 10%. So $5, meron ka pang $10. Ang good news, pag silver ka, yung 3 and 4th mo. So direct mo, may kita ka. Gold, hanggang 6. No? Direct mo, ayan, may 5%, 3%, 2%. Habang nagra-rank up ka, naku po, pag naging diamond ka, 10 levels deep po tayo. Depende kung anong level yan. So, malalim na yan, ano? Yan, so ang team building structure natin, talagang, ano yan, by level yan, ano? So, malalim siya. Yan, so, ibig sabihin nito, si Live Good, nire-rewardan niya yung mga action takers. So those who really are focused or who really immerse and do the business. Once you become a diamond, hanggang 10 level ang iyong fast start commission. Okay? Yan. Okay, so yun yung first way. Hindi po nagtatapos dyan. 7 ways tayo. Second way to earn is the matrix commission. Remember, sa Live Good, meron tayong tinatawag na matrix 3. Ikaw po yan. And then, ito po ay yung matrix, no? May sarili ka pong matrix. So, ang matrix natin is 2 by 15, pero mag-uumpisa tayo sa 2 by 12. So, ikaw po yan. Dahil 2 by 12 or 2 by 15, spots are filled from top to bottom on a first come, first serve basis. So, top to bottom, left to right on a first come, first serve basis. So, ikaw po yan. Sa matrix 3, isi-share mo sa dalawa. Okay? Ngayon, Janet, meron akong direct na pangatlo. So, yung direct mo, pagdating doon sa enroller tree, which is your other genealogy, kasi dalawa yung genealogy natin eh, enroller tree and matrix tree. So, sa matrix tree, because we're talking about the matrix commission, yung pangatlo mo, it will already go under that person who is already there. No? Yan. So, ang ma-fill up na ngayon, yung third level mo. May 4 ka pa, pupunta uli dito. So, left, right, right. Ganun po mag-assign ang system ni LiveGood. No? So, Janet, paano ko kikita dito sa matrix tree ko? Paano yung matrix commission? Ang matrix commission ay nangyayari ganito. So, lahat ng tao na nasa matrix mo na nagbabayad ng $9.95 or 600 pesos, binibigyan ka ng 2.5%. Okay? 2.5% from every 9.95 membership. From every person na nagbabayad ng kanilang subscription. Okay, so ilan yung 2.5%? That's 25 cents. Okay, so regardless kung anong level yan, 25 cents, 25 cents, 25 cents, 25 cents, yan, up to level 12 yan dahil unranked ka. So pag napuno yung matrix mo, you have 8,192 members. Ita times mo yan, times 0.25 cents, then ang potential income sa 2 by 12 is 2,047. So habang nagra-rank up ka, lumalaki po yung matrix commission. But take note that the matrix commission of this part of the compensation plan is the slowest way to build the business ng LiveGood. Ang tawag natin dito, retirement income. So do not focus on this because this will develop over time. Kaya nga tinawag natin na retirement income. Now, kung gusto mong maging fast yan, you have to do the third way to earn. Dito, you just have to fill the matrix. Kung gusto mo ng mabilis na pag-fill ng matrix, do the fast way. Again, huwag kang mag-focus dito because this one is for your retirement, that it will develop over time. Although, ang potential income ng ating matrix commissions are pag-unrank, $2,047. Ayan. And then bronze and silver, $4,095.50. Gold and platinum, $8,191.50. And diamond, $16,383.50. Again, this will develop over time. Again, pag puno ang matrix mo. So, ilan uli ang tao pag level 12? 8,192. So, kailan mapupuno yan? We don't know. The system will assign. So, if you want to fill your matrix fast, do not wait. No? Wala tayong ano dito. Wala pong law of waiting sa LiveGood. Kung gusto mong gawin yung negosyo mo, huwag kang maghihintay. You have to be proactive and you have to do your business fast. Pag nagnegosyo ka, hindi pwedeng maghintay ka. Kailangan merong action. Okay? So, eto na yon. How do you take action? You take action by sharing the business. You take action by sharing it with all the people that you know. Lahat yan, potential yan. And you will have your matching bonus. So, paano yung matching bonus? Nangyayari ang matching bonus when you share this. This is the most exciting part of the compensation plan. Bakit? Dahil lahat ng personally enrolled mo, remember, may matrix income sila, di ba? So, lahat ng in-enroll mo, syempre, yung mga yan mag-i-enroll din, right? So, whatever matrix income they will have, ang sabi ni LiveGood, tatapatan namin ang 50% ng matrix income ng iyong direct. Okay? So, kunwari, ikaw po yan, and then meron kang isang direct, si direct ginaya ka. So, humataw siya ng humataw. So, whatever yung matrix income niya, 50% tatapatan ni LiveGood. Yan ang matching. Hindi yung pares-pares. Ma-match is tatapatan. Okay? So, hindi nagtatapos dyan ang ating matching bonuses dahil meron pa tayong generational matches. So habang nagra-rank up tayo, we are being paid further matching bonuses na tinatawag na generational bonuses very deep within your organization, no? Up to fifth generation yan, no? Yan. So, paano yan, Janet? Okay, eto, ganito lang ha, para simplified. Remember, lahat ng dinirect mo, meron kang 50%, right? Ngayon, pag ang generational bonus nangyayari pag silver ka. So, go for silver. You goal for silver para entitled ka sa 10% uli. Buong generation yan ng first and second gen mo. Buong angkan. Okay? Hindi isang tao yan. Buong angkan. And then, pag gold rank ka, up to third generation, pag platinum ka hanggang fourth generation, pag diamond ka hanggang fifth generation. So, to illustrate that, 10 ang in-enroll mo. Bawat tao, bawat isa dun sa 10 in-enroll mo, direct mo po yon, di ba? Meron silang 200 matrix income. Sila ang may matrix income na 200. Ang sinasabi sa matching bonus, 50% ng matrix income nila, tatapatan ni LiveGood, bibigay sa'yo. Bibigyan ka. No? So, yan, 200 ang matrix income ng bawat isa dun sa 10 mo, 50%, magkano? 100, tama? Times 10. O, may $1,000 ka na. Eh, paano, Janet, pag meron kang 20 people earning 1,000 in their matrix? Okay, so 20. Puro excited lahat. Meron silang matrix income na 1,000. Since ikaw ang direct sponsor nila, kalahati ng 1,000 is 500 times 20, then you get $10,000. Maganda o napakaganda ng matching bonuses? Napakaganda. Di ba? Ayan. Totoo po yan. You just have to immerse this and aralin. Walang hype. Real talk. Talagang realistic ang income dito. The only difference is that, ang tanong is, the only question, I mean, is that, gaano ang effort na ibibigay mo sa LiveGood. Diba? Yan. Okay. Para mas makita nyo, kumuha tayo ng isang sample mismo doon sa back office. Ito, oh. Ito yung mga tao na in-enroll mo, kunwari. Ikaw po yan, directly. So, meron kang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Na-excite ka kasi eh. Kayo na po yan, okay? Ngayon, may matrix income. Papakita dyan, ang matrix income nila, makikita mo po. Dahil direct mo sila. Ang sinasabi sa matching bonuses, 50% mamatch siya ni LiveGood. So, ilan ang 50% ng 295.25? 147. Ilan ang 50% ng 264.50? 132. Ilan ang 50% ng 242? 121. Whatever matrix income nila. Janet, paano pag $1 lang? Eh di sa'yo ang 50 cents. Eh paano kung 50 cents lang ang matrix income? Eh di sa'yo ang 25 cents. So walang capping. Any amount, basta merong matrix income ang iyong direct 50%. Okay? O ito, nag-silver ngayon ito. May silver ka, I mean, siguro ang rank mo na, granted na nasa platinum ka na. Ngayon, pag platinum ka, meron siguradong silver dyan na na-produce, nasa second level mo. So, once na may silver ka sa second generation, na nasa second generation mo, meron kang 10% ng, ano yung matrix income ni silver? 338. 10% of that is your generational bonus. Sa isang tao pa lang yan. O, meron pa siyang silver sa second gen uli. Ibang tao uli yan, 10%. Meron uling silver. So, ibig sabihin, generation, buong angkan, hindi isang tao. Ngayon, meron ka uling platinum sa first generation mo. 5%. 5% ng 338.25. Ayan, gold, first gen, 5%. 16.91. So, ganun po kalaki ang potential nitong matching bonuses. Again, this will be dependent on how focused, how resilient, how excited you are sharing LiveGood. Okay? Yan. Okay, so I hope i-internalize nyo yung part na yon of the compensation plan. No? So tonight, attend po kayo kay Coach Elmo and Coach Fernan because they will be showing you more detailed computation about that. The reason why I'm not showing it, kasi we have 3 sets, of course, for you to keep coming back. Yun po yun, no? Ayan. Okay, fourth is we have the retail commissions. So, ang retail commission, this is, again, sinabi po natin kanina that you are not required to sell, hindi mandatory, but merong mga tao talaga na gusto nilang magbenta. Merong mga tao na ayaw pong magpa-member, gusto ding subukan. So, you have these retail commissions, no? Na if they buy the products, yung customers, this is for the customer, no? Ayaw talaga muna nilang mag-member, pero gusto nilang tikman yung product mo. Papuntahin mo sila sa retail site mo. Oh, by the way, hindi ko na mention kanina, in exchange doon sa $49.95 na ilalabas mo, you have 3 replicated website. Your corporate site, your retail site, ito yung gagamitin natin sa para makakuha ka ng retail commission, and your Turling site. So yung Turling site mo, yun yung binibigay natin when you want to share it with people na gusto din magnegosyo. Ang retail site mo is this, like when you send a customer sa retail site mo dahil ayaw pa niyang mag-member pero gusto niyang subukan yung product, send them to your retail website and para magkaroon ka ng retail commission. So ang computation niyan is retail minus members price, the difference, maghahati kayo ni LiveGood. Okay? Yan. So customer acquisition bonuses sa mga first time na bibili ng product mo, yan, meron din tayong customer acquisition bonuses. So ang customer acquisition bonuses is for the first time na magpo-purchase ng product sa mga direct. Okay? And then, syempre, it gets better kasi habang nagra-rank up ka, na-open uli yung level mo. So, it follows the pattern ng fast start commissions and retail commission. That as you rank up, lumalaki yung ating customer acquisition bonuses. Okay? Yan. Actually, hindi tayo kumikita sa products. Sa purchase ng downline natin. No, hindi natin sila pinagkakakitaan. But, LiveGood is very generous na talaga namang binigay na yung first purchase, meron tayong doon, meron tayong commission, pandagdag sa ating weekly fast start. And of course, influencer bonuses. Ito naman, if you promote the products sa social media, then that will be good, no? Yan. So, pag meron kang $2,500 na sales mo na nanggaling sa social media account mo, like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, or whatever social platform that you have, social media platform that you have. So may additional commission ka na 10% on top of the retail commission na 50%. So 50 plus 10, that makes 60%. Ngayon, pag meron kang total retail sales per month na 50,000, additional 50% yon, making it 100%. Okay? So this one gets better kung marami kang na-sharean doon sa iyong social media platform. Again, following the fast start and the retail commissions. Yan. So 7 and the 8th way to earn, pagsamahin na natin, yung mag-rank up ka as a diamond rank. We all want to be diamond, right? So let me know who want to be diamond. Yan, napakaganda talaga ng matching bonuses. Yes. Okay, so type in the chat. Say, I am a diamond. Do not, yeah, me. I am a diamond or diamond, me. Yan, si Ma'am Pinky talagang valedictorian na. Talagang gusto mag-diamond. Ma'am Elizabeth, Ma'am Eden. Yan, asan yung iba? Okay, so claim it that you will be diamond. Yan, Ma'am Menchi. Yan, okay. So, the good news, ayan, si Ma'am Michelle, may matching, diamond na, anong tawag doon? Emojis ba? And figure, no? Yan. So, as a diamond rank, you will share in 2% of the total company sales every month, including all membership. Meaning, magkakaroon ka ng lahat ng diamonds magkakaroon, you'll get a piece of the pie, no? Ng share sa 2% ng sales ng memberships at product sales. So halimbawa, ang sales ng company from the membership and product sales is $15 million sa isang buwan. Ngayon, kunin mo yung 2% nun. And then, yung 2% ng $15 million paghahatian kung ilang diamonds meron ang company. Yan. On top of your fast start, your matching bonuses, matrix commission, and other bonuses. No? Dagdag yun. You call it the diamond bonus pool. Now, it gets better kasi hindi nagtatapos sa diamond rank. Meron pa tayong crown diamond bonus pool wherein you will also share in a further 0.5% of all the sales every month. Okay? So, we have 2 crown diamonds in the company. We have Tim Miller, the first crown diamond in Live Good, and we have our very own coach Fernand Santiago, the first crown diamond in the Philippines and second worldwide. So sila ang maghahati, no? Dun sa 0.5% of all the sales every month. Example uli, $15 million total sales. Kunin mo yung 0.5% nun, that makes like around $75,000. So yung 75 na yon, na 0.5%, divided by 2, kasi dalawa pa lang ang crown diamond natin, each crown diamond will have $37,500 on top of their fast start, matrix, matching, generational, and all other bonuses, retail, customer acquisition bonuses, influencer bonuses kung meron man. So, ito lang ang ibig sabihin yan. If you really want to do Live Good, you have to hit the sweet spot, gold. Dahil ang gold is the sweet spot. Platinum is life-changing. Diamond is freedom. We all want financial and time freedom, right? So we have to hit on diamond. And of course, further, crown diamond, syempre, yan. Nagkape na si Ma'am Pinky. Para gising na gising daw. Okay, so hindi na tayo magtatagal, no? And so these are the ranks: bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond. How to achieve it? You only need 2 personal enrolled active members or affiliate, bronze ka na. Whether member or affiliate, pag may dalawa, bronze na ang tawag sa'yo. Kaya lang sila, hindi magra-rank up kung member lang. They need to be affiliate para ma-enjoy din nila, makapag-bronze din sila. Right? So, yan. Silver, you only need 20 in team. It's either option 1, 10 personally enrolled, and then total 20. So, kasama yung 10 dun sa total 20. That's the first option. Okay. Or second option, para maging silver, naalala mo yung dalawang bronze mo, dagdagan mo ng isa, and then total team 20. Kung may team yung tatlong yon, basta 20 ang total team mo, silver ka na. Pangatlo, kung kaya mong mag-share sa 20 na tao, then silver ka. Okay? Third rank, gold. Paano yon? Gawin mo lang silver, yung bronze mo. Total 100 sa team. That will make you gold. Or 30 personally enrolled active members. And then total team ng 100. Kasama na yung 30 na personally enrolled mo, gold ka. Third way, pwedeng ilang legs yan. Kung wala kang ma-produce na silver, basta may 30, 30, 30, 30, total of 100, gold ka. Platinum. Okay, ang platinum, total team of 500. And, gawin mong gold yung tatlong silver mo. Basta may total team of 500 and then 3 gold, then platinum ka. But make sure na, ilan na yun? 150, 150, 150. Yan, may limit yan na 150 every leg. Pero kung wala kang mapag-gold, kung marami kang directs, basta i-total team of 500 not exceeding 150 every leg, no? Platinum ka. And diamond, gawin mo lang platinum, yung tatlong gold mo plus 2,500 the whole team, then you become a diamond. So paano yan, Janet? Tatlong platinum lang. Yeah, kunin mo 1,500 yung isa. And then yung dalawang leg mo, 500, 500. That makes you a platinum. Or power of 5, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500 times 5 legs, 2,500. Or kung ilang legs meron ka, may 20 ka, o i-divide mo yung 2,500 sa 20 legs mo. Ganun po yon. And of course, a crown diamond, total of 50,000 with no more than 10,000 counting from any individual enroller 3 leg. Okay? So, ganun lang po siya. Yan. Okay, so gusto nyo i-screenshot ito para pag-aralan how you explain the business. Okay, ito pwede nyo i-screenshot. We have your one-page presentation. Andyan na, what is Live Good? Ano ang model niya? Subscription-based. Ano ang mission ni Live Good? Andyan na rin. And of course, we started with wellness and health products, but we are not a wellness company. We are a membership club. Ito yung concept natin. We are like Amazon, Costco. We patterned our concepts sa Amazon, Netflix, Shopify, and so on. Ayan. So, napaka-importante to. Nabanggitin nyo, no product packages, no monthly auto ship, no volume required, no quota. We are not the traditional business, traditional MLM. You have to highlight that. No? And then ito, who is Live Good? Nasaan siya? The ranks. Ano-ano yung rank natin? Ilang ways to earn? 7 ways, and then yung benefits. Okay, so ito, guide nyo lang po ito, but you have to listen to the presentation on how it will be presented. But if you are articulate enough, kaya nyong i-explain. Alam nyo, hindi mo kailangan ng script dito eh. Once you love Live Good, once na immerse ka sa kanya, kahit wala kang slide presentation, you could explain the business in 15 minutes. You can make Live Good as your passion, actually. If you are immersed, hindi kailangan ng slide. It will follow spontaneously, no? Yeah, so the only secret na ginagawa natin sa Live Good, very systematic, GPS, get in, plug in, stay in. Sa mga bago po, hello, hello. Shout out po sa inyo. You just need to get in. Do not overanalyze. Do not overthink. Dahil po yan ang magpapabagal sa inyo. We are not in a convincing game. Everyone needs to be healthy. Everyone needs Live Good. Everyone needs to supplement. Again, supplementation is non-negotiable. Kung gusto mong mabago ang buhay mo, go Live Good. Kung gusto mo, kung mahal mo ang pamilya mo, do Live Good. Kung gusto mong may mabago sa'yo, if you want really a life-changing income or maybe just a side hustle, do Live Good. Get in. And number 2, aralin mo ang Live Good, plug in. Plug in is what? Learn the business, learn your back office, attend Zoom trainings. We have Monday to Saturday. We have corporate Zooms. Andyan na lahat. Binigay na po sa inyo lahat. All you have to do is to learn it because when you don't learn, you have nothing to share. And when you are plugged in, staying in will be easy. Staying in will not be a struggle. Pero kung hindi ka naka-plug in, problema yan. Dahil ang tingin mo sa Live Good ay scam, ang tingin mo sa Live Good ay gastos, ang tingin mo sa Live Good ay expense, ang tingin mo sa Live Good ay pabigat. So sorry, you have to plug in for you to be able to stay in. Kung hindi mo nakikita, hindi ka naka-plug in, you will never appreciate Live Good, you will never value Live Good. So first things first, ngayon pa lang have clarity why you join Live Good. Not because na-hype ka, not because nakita mo maganda ang matching. You have to join Live Good because you know that we have value. You know that we are creating value. You are in a mission. You want to be a person of value. Kaya ka mag-join sa Live Good. Pag hindi malinaw sa'yo yan, then I am sorry. Baka hindi ka tumagal sa Live Good. So always have clarity, always have a purpose, always be intentional doing Live Good, and you will go far. It may be slow, but the one thing that is sure, we will all be successful in Live Good. Tanggapin mo na yan, i-manifest mo na yan, accept that blessing for you to attract it. And when you do the law of attraction, remember the 6 letters of attraction is action. You have to take action. Okay, so GPS. And before I conclude this presentation, at pwede pang mag-share yung, meron tayong pag-share na isa, no, for the product, no, para makita nyo na hindi lang tayo nag-hype dito. But before that, I would like to leave you, I would like to conclude this presentation with this quotation that the only thing worse than being blind is having sight but no vision. Ibig sabihin nito, you have to have vision not only with Live Good but in your life. Dahil mas daig mo pang isang bulag daig mo pang isang bulag na may mata ka pero hindi mo nakikita ang vision. Right? So very important that right here, right now, you have to see the clear vision and mission of Live Good. What is the vision of Live Good? For everyone to have a solid residual income. What is the mission? For everyone to get healthy and stay healthy without breaking your bank. Dalawa lang. Pag in-internalize mo ang mission and especially the vision, especially pag in-internalize mo ang vision na magkaroon ka ng solid residual income, then you will go far with Live Good. Yan. So, yung ating promo, ipopromote ko lang po, no? Ayan, our August Boost promo. Hanggang August 31 na po tayo, no? There will be 100,000 in cash prizes that will be given away. Just share the Live Good opportunity and enroll more affiliates. This is actually a bonus, no? Bonus po ito. So whether may promo or wala, we have to do Live Good. Ang kagandahan niyan is that you will get inspired dahil when you enroll 2, you get to raffle for the 20,000 draw. No, 20,000 pesos. Ngayon, pag 4 ang in-enroll mo, meron kang 4 raffle tickets for the 20,000 draw, another 4 raffle tickets for the 30,000 draw. Ngayon, pag 8, meron kang 8 tickets for the 20,000 draw, 8 tickets uli for 30,000 draw, and 8 tickets for 50,000 draw. So just send your entry. Google Forms will be sent by your Platinum and Diamond leaders to your team. And of course, the more enroll that you have, the more you enroll, the more tickets you have, and the bigger is your chance of winning. So let's go DMW family. Don't forget, hanggang August 31 po ang ating promo. Okay. So before I say thank you and see you at the top, okay? Yan. So gusto ko lang pong tawagin yung ating sharer. Are you ready? Are you ready, Miss Michelle? Asaan ka? Is she in? Ayan. Hello, hello. Mukhang natulog yata. Ayan. Anyway, so kung
Hindi
hindi
na,
pa
ready na yan.
ready na, ready na. Shout out. Kung wala si Miss Michelle, ayan, nasan ka? Ayan, unmute. Ay, unmute daw pala. Paano ko ba i-unmute nito? Dali lang ha.
Naka-co-host na siya.
Ayan, naka-co-host ka na pala.
Ayan.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
so get
Hello,
ready.
nako.
Ganda naman ng sharer mo, Janet.
Oh, syempre. Nako.
No.
Ayan. Okay,
Nako.
so Miss
Hello,
Michelle.
hello po. Yan. Hello, Ma'am Janet. Hello, Miss Janet. Hello. So, I'm here inside the car, no? Talagang, I'm still working until this time. So,
5
yan,
minutes lang po,
magandang
ha?
umaga po sa inyong lahat. Yan. Hi, Miss Janet. So, napakaganda naman ng ating speaker. Hello po, Sir Fernan. Yan. At sa lahat ng mga naandito sa
Hi.
DMW, nako. Grabe, nakakaano, no? Isang message lang. So, alam mo naman, si Ma'am Janet talagang ano yan eh. Energy ko yan eh, si Ma'am Janet. So, ayun, magpapakilala muna po ako sa inyong lahat, sa lahat po ng mga naandito, no, ng mga sa atin, na DMW dyan. I think magtatanghalian na po, no? Nagluluto na po ba kayo ng mga ulam nyo? So, ayan, dito naman sa amin, it's late at night na, dyan kay Ma'am Janet. At dito sa akin is 9 o'clock in the evening. So, yan, good morning and good evening po worldwide. Ako po pala si Michelle Bautista at yun nga, no, isang text lang sa akin ni Ma'am Janet na please share one product or any na about sa Live Good. So yan. So lahat tayo dito nagve-venture kay Live Good. I think lahat ng naandito is affiliate na. So my name is Michelle Bautista, all the way here from Vancouver, Canada. Yan. So ako po ay former workers, yan, marami, nagkasino, dyan sa Pilipinas. Ako ay nag-graduate din ng midwife at nakapagtrabaho dyan sa Mary Child's Hospital dyan sa Sampaloc. So now, naandito ako sa Canada, and I'm working as a community healthcare nurse. So ayan, pa-drive-drive ako, hanggang gabi, nagtatrabaho pa rin. So, yun po, ang kagandahan dito sa Live Good na bine-venture natin, talagang yung vision namin dito ay kakaiba. Although naandito na po kami sa Canada, iba yung nakikita namin. Sana po, no, nakikita din po ng lahat na talagang ito'y, yung vision namin dito na makakapagbigay ng solid income sa lahat ng mga family. Imagine niyo po yun, di ba? Sinabi ni Ben na talagang Yun talaga yung pinakapuso ng compensation plan dito. Pero although ako ay mag-share ng about sa products, talaga naman ako'y in love talaga sa products ng Live Good. So sabi nga ni Ma'am Janet, kahit isa lang, pero gusto ko lahat Kaya lang so, pero sa akin, life-changing talaga to. Talagang napatunayan ko na unmatched ang quality talaga kasi ako'y nakuha lang din naman sa ads before. No? May nag-post lang dyan and then inaral ko, tinignan ko, kung ano ba talaga. Mari-research mo na kasi lahat pati may-ari, lahat na pati products, kung mas affordable doon sa dati mong ginagamit, parang magpapalit ka lang kasi ng brand dito. So, pero dito highest quality, 'di ba, yung ino-offer ni Live Good. So, yun ako isang user din ng barley for how many years. Talagang na-enjoy ko naman yun. Pero kung ngayon at kino-compare ko talaga sa Live Good, yung super greens natin na talaga namang grabe. Isang canister, $18, di ba? Doon sa, i-compare mo sa dati kong binibili na $35, which is 10 sachet lamang siya. So, ang laki, ang daming laman nung super green na andun yung spirulina na palaging dinidiscuss ni Ma'am Janet na, 'di ba, may moringa, na andun lahat na, dandelion and everything. So, ano siya, compact siya, holistic yung talagang approach niya sa atin sa body natin. So, yan talagang na-detox ako diyan sa super green. At yung aking bowel movement, regular na, 'di ba? Kung pasintabi po sa lahat ng mga kumakain dyan. So, ayun, every day, imagine mo kasi dati, aantayin mo after 2 days, 3 days, kung hindi ka regular yung bowel movement mo. Napakahirap po nun, mainitin ang ulo mo. Unang-una sa health mo, talagang kakaiba. At saka nung nag-start ako ng Live Good, I was 200 pounds. So, kung makikita niyo po sa mga stories ko, na talagang ako'y, talagang ang aking timbang ay talagang may kataasan, po. So, yan. Nung ako'y gumagamit na ng Live Good, syempre, natulungan na rin ng ako yung nag-walking every day. Syempre, nag-change na yung lifestyle ko at talagang nag-decide ako na maging healthy. So, noon, dati ko naman ang ginagawa ito, yung mag-i-intermittent ako, mag-i-exercise ako, pero bumabalik pa rin sa dati. Alam niyo po yun, na ang hirap mong i-maintain yung state niya. Yung optimum level na hinahangad mo, hindi mo talaga makamit. Ganon. So, after 4 months, babalik ka na naman dun sa weight gain mo. 'Di ba? So, ang nakatulong po talaga sa akin yung Super Green, yung international pack, talaga namang free shipping fee pa siya, 'di ba? At the same time, yung lean. Yung lean po talaga na ating products, kung meron ka dyan, Ma'am Janet, alam kong ready ka. So, ayan, 30 minutes before meals, morning, lunchtime, depends kung how many meals ang ginagawa mo everyday. Basta 30 minutes niyan, mag-take ka ng 2 capsule. Talagang yung cravings ko po ay natanggal. Nung kagagamit ko pa lang yan, after 10 days, talagang nung 10 days na yon nag-gain ako ng weight. So, hindi ko naiintindihan. Pero, yun pala, parang kino-compose niya yung body, composition ko. Yung fats, yung lean, yung mga ganun sa loob ng katawan mo. At after 10 days, doon ko na nakita na may 1 pound, and then another week na naman, may 1 pound na nababawas. And then, dire-diretso na po siya hanggang ngayon. So I started using that around February. February ba nung nag-start ka, ma'am, dyan? Yeah. Pero lahat ng product ng Live Good, nag-start ako October. So doon na nag-start yung magnesium. Ang dami ko po talagang masasabi kasi yung magnesium, ako din po ay masakit ang ulo lagi, may migraine. Alam niyo yun, parang iuuntog mo na lang yung ulo mo and then you need to take a nap para mawala lang yun. Kung hindi mo itutulog, hindi mawawala. Pero dun sa magnesium talaga, doon din, na-regulate lahat ng aking pagtulog, nakapagpahinga ako ng maayos. Parang iba, hindi ko nga ma-explain kung anong nangyayari sa akin. Una, yung losing weight, lahat na, ang daming nabago sa akin. Life-changing talaga siya para sa akin. At ngayon, masasabi ko na talagang I'm in love with Live Good. So, yun, no?
Woo!
Hindi ko na maano, pati yung compensation plan, ano na lang yan, later on na lang yan. Pero dito sa amin kasi 24 hours nagtatrabaho talaga kami. So, kung anong pwedeng may offer dyan na job, talagang igagrab mo kasi nga, di ba? Medyo ano naman yung per hour namin dito. So, pero yung vision namin kay Live Good kasi, talagang makakapagpabago ng buhay at ang nagustuhan ko pa dito, makakatulong ka sa kapwa mo. So yun, Miss Janet, thank you. Thank you sa
Thank you.
pagkakataon na makapag-share. Thank you, Sir Fernan. Thank you po sa lahat ng mga naan dito. Thank you po.
Yan. Thank you.
Thank you, thank
Woohoo!
you.
May humihirit pa. Pwede pa daw isa. Si Ma'am Pinky. Huwag nyo itodo ha. Meron pa tayo sa
Come on,
Grand
come
Center.
on. Bring it on.
Ayan. Ayan. Thanks for inspiring us, Mom Janet and Miss Michelle from Magnate Alliance, Sir Randy. Ayan, napaka-supportive ni Sir Randy. Ayan. Okay, Ma'am Pinky. Sige na. Ayan. Go,
Okay,
go.
hold on. Where is my camera? I don't even see myself.
Ayan ka na. Ay, talaga no,
Hindi talaga
nagbihis.
magpahuli, no? Kasi nandyan si Michelle, sabi ko, oh, I need to do, I wanna be, alam nyo, guys, thank you so much, okay, for letting me do this.
Gaganda ng sharer. Woohoo.
Oh, nagpaganda talaga ako, coach. Talagang
Yes, yes.
ano ko kanina, mga makeup dyan, mga talagang kumpleto, no?
Ikaw ang
Sabi ko,
magtotok ngayon, ikaw ang pinakamaganda.
so, oo, sabi ni Coach Janet kanina, oy pwede kayo mag-share. Sabi ko, hindi ako ready kasi naka-mask pa ko kanina. Sabi ko, oh my God, sabi ko, sige, baka matapos ako. So, si Michelle is ready. Sabi ko, oh, pwede ako magsali na rin. Anyway, nandito ako. My name is Pinky po. Nandito ako ngayon sa Florida, USA, kung ang hindi nakakakilala sa akin. Thank you, Coach Fernan. Thank you, Coach Jeanette. And of course, Coach Michelle. Wah, ano daw? Speak in. Nahirapan ako kung hindi nyo alam talagang yung Tagalog ko bulol-bulol. Okay, so kaya minimix ko yung pag-aano ko. But anyway, I'm here to share. Number one is kung bakit ako in love sa Live Good. Number one is yung product kasi nga dito sa US talagang bumibili na ako, kami ng asawa ko ng mga multivitamins, mga ganyan-ganyan. So nung alam ko, nung sinare ng brother-in-law ko yung product, sabi ko, sa Pilipinas mo nag-share, nasa US ako, tapos sa Florida, sabi ko, ano ba ito? Ba't hindi ko to alam? So, nag-check ako at tinitingnan ko yung, ganito, yung training ni Coach Fernan, 4 hours yun. 4 hours talaga kasi tiningnan ko lahat. Kung ano yung, kung ano ba talaga tong Live Good na to, kasi inano ko, doon ako na-in-love kasi yung CBD oil nila, napakamura. Sabi ko, my God, CBD oil is very expensive, guys. So, kaya, nagpa-enroll talaga ako kaagad. Sabi ko, you know what, mag-enroll ako kahit pa paano, kung may pera. Kasi di ba sa video ni Ben, sabi niya, kikita ka kahit walang ganyan-ganyan. Sabi ko, I don't really care about that. Sabi ko mag-join lang ako kasi I love the product. Anyway, kung magkapera man ito, kung magkatotoo man ito, I don't really care kasi ang product ang mas importante sa akin. Pero yung nalaman ko na ano pala, yung mas maganda pala yung pagkitaan dito. Sabi ko, you know what, I'm gonna learn. Sa hindi lang alam, this is my first and would be my last, I guess, network marketing kasi hindi talaga ako, this is my first, tsaka hindi ako mahilig sa networking kasi number one is ayaw kong magbenta, ayaw kong mag-invite, tapos mahirap talaga para sa akin. Sabi ko, I don't like it. Pero ang Live Good ay hindi mahirap, guys. Napaka-easy, ewan ko, hindi ko na ma-explain kung how excited I am with Live Good. Very in love, na-in-love ako. Kahit nandito ako, number one, kaya ganito ang ano ko, kung hindi lang niyo alam, yung, yung team ko, pinapangalan ko ng Family of Action Taker. It's because it started with my family. Lahat ng family ko is part of my business. Kaya, start talaga sa family guys kung pwede lang kasi alam mo pag yayaman ako yayaman lahat, you know? So kailangan isabay niyo ng family niyo sa inyong grupo. But anyway, when I'm here kasi gusto ko lang din i-share na kahit baguhan kayo guys, determination lang talaga. You really need to study kasi bago ako. Kasi yung brother-in-law ko nag-invite sa akin, hindi din siya in-networker. So talagang pareho kami. Pareho kami. So kaya sabi ko, okay, what I'm gonna do, just gonna learn the business. Talagang inaral ko by myself. Inano ko talaga lahat ng mga kaibigan, I mean, dito sa US, kung sino ba yung taga Live Good. Pag may nakapangalan Live Good, join ako. And my one time nga, sabi nga ng American, ano yun eh, yung grupo, hindi ko lang ma-remember kung anong name. Sabi niya, do not ask me anything. If you are not under my team, ganito. Minessage ko talaga, sabi ko, hey, I'm not belong with your team kasi yung team ko is from the Philippines, but most of my audience is from the US and I really, really wanna learn what is Live Good. So sabi niya, oh, okay, don't worry about it. Yeah, you can still join my team. Ganun guys, if you are determined, you will do it. And I never thought, last year yon, I never thought I will be talking here with a lot of people na parang ang confident ko is talagang, kasi nga, if you believe the product, you believe the team, you believe the company and everything, talagang hindi ka mahihiya i-share. So that's all lang guys. Kailangan talaga aralin. That's all my take. Well, now we will talk about the product, okay? So, last year I have so much tawag ito, stress kasi I lost my job last year. And then hindi ganun pala yan pag ma-stress ka. Nagkaroon ako ng areata. Alopecia areata. Ang tawag din kasi
Alopecia.
yeah. Yung mag-losing hair ka tapos magkaroon ka ng hair. Nandito ako, kung makikita mo lang yung hair ko, diba? Natutubo na oh. Kasi ganyan ako. Meron pala ako. When I went to Las Vegas for convention, I found out na yung losing hair ko pala is alopecia, right?
Alopecia, yeah.
Yeah. So, sabi ni Dr. Joe, Dr. Joe is a dermatologist. Asawa siya ni Trisha Costa. Sabi niya, pag ganun pala, kailangan mo ng collagen. Nire-refer niya ang collagen at saka vitamin D3K2 at saka ultra magnesium. Ito guys, talagang napaka-effective kasi I've been taking collagen but it takes a while. Pero nung sinali ko tatlo talaga, diligent yung pag-take mo, talagang faster yung pag-grow ng hair ko. So, yeah, that's my tawag nito? Testimony. Yeah, sa product. Marami akong product na pero ito lang talaga na I can really like I see it, like kailangan mo isabay mo tatlo. Kung meron man dyan, kung somebody will hear this, kung meron talagang effective. So yun lang. At saka of course the coffee guys, coffee talagang my favorite. So that's it. Tumaas yata yung ko. Thank you so much, Coach Janet, Coach Fernan, for letting me do this. Late na dito, pero gising na gising ako kasi nga kaku-coffee ko lang. All right, that's all. Back to you, Coach Janet.
Ayan, thank you so much. Ayan, so one thing that I've learned from the sharings of these two powerful, ayan, is that, naku po, anybody is for Live Good, but not everybody is for Live Good. So hindi sila mga network marketers, and yet because of resilience, determination, and because they love the products, they are the product of the products, then yun yung naging catalyst nila to do the business. So ibig sabihin nun, you have to be the product of the product and then you sell yourself. Ibig sabihin nun, pag nakita ng tao na yung product ay nag-work sa'yo, the only thing or the only way they would do is to join you. And also, yan din ang nangyayari sa akin sa workplace na yung makikita nila talaga that the product is working. Are you shedding pounds? Are you losing weight? What are you doing? You're aging reversely. So, yung mga ganon. So, the point is, guys, na dito, this is not a convincing game. Ang first step lang is just aralin mo yung business, aralin mo ang Live Good, and then use the products. That's it. Pag ginamit mo yung products, people are watching. They will watch you. They are watching you. Sa social media, mag-post ka. Kahit mahiyain ka, get out from your comfort zone. Alam mo, pag gumagamit ka ng products at nakikita mo gumaganda ka, you feel confident. Once you feel confident, you will be competent. Ganun yon. Nakaka-boost ng moral, nakaka-boost ng confidence. Yung makikita mo na gumaganda yung pakiramdam mo because of the products that you are using, because of Live Good products. So, ganun lang po yun. We are not in a convincing game. Hindi na po kailangan, at this point in time, hindi na po kailangan patunayan na nag-work ang system ng Live Good. We have Coach Fernan, we have all the Diamond leaders. We are here earning, but then hindi yun yung mission natin dito eh. The earning will come right after you see the mission and the vision of Live Good. Be intentional. Your goal is for yourself to get healthy and stay healthy, and then you share it. You find people na gusto mong tulungan. So yun lang, ganun lang po kasimple yung business natin. So we only have 3 things to do. We just have to get things done. Gawin yung gumamit ng product and then aralin yung negosyo. And then take massive action. And then do not sleep until you win. Like sinabi ni Ben dun sa video, people will know about Live Good. The world will know about Live Good and it will be a household name. So, ang tanong, where will you be? Or ano ang circumstance mo ngayon? Manonood ka na lang ba o sasabay ka? Yun ang iiwanan kong katanungan sa inyo. So, maraming salamat po. Ako po si Janet saying thank you so much and see you at the top. Ayan. Okay, so okay na po.
Thank
Ayan,
you,
so
thank you, Coach Janet.
yes,
Coach
thank you din
Gigi,
po. Ayan.
Thank you.
See you later.
Matutulog na ako. Ganito ang mukha ko.
Okay. Okay, so thank you Coach Fernan and thank you
Midnight na.
everyone. Yeah, oo nga. And thank you po ha. So nag-stick po ang 49, walang bumitaw Coach Fernan, ano? So tonight po with Coach
Yes,
Elmo and Coach Fernan. Yeah, Coach Fernan, meron ka pong last message before my last song?
Yeah, ano lang, pagtulong-tulungan natin tong Zoom presentation na to, no, pagyamanin natin, pinagkatiwala sa atin ng Panginoon, no. Invite, no. Kung lahat lang talaga nag-i-invite, talagang puputok tayo, no. And makakapag-set tayo talaga ng momentum. So God bless everyone. Ang gagaling ng speaker, dapat lang talaga pagyamanin natin. Thank
Yes,
you, Coach
yes.
Janet.
Thank you then, Coach Fernan. So again, I would like to leave this song for you. You have to believe in yourself. Unang-una sa lahat, believe. You have to i-disrupt, tanggalin nyo na po yung mga limiting beliefs ninyo, no? So, believe in yourself, believe in the company, believe in the products, and of course, believe in the compensation plan, and we will go far. So, thank you very much, and I love you all. Ayan, so kung wala na pong question, ito na po yung ating ending. This is a very, very nice song for all of you. Ayan. So, hold on lang po. Ay, sorry. Yan, nawala yata yung aking, Yan, teka lang po. Ayun pala. Oops. Nawala siya. Okay, ito na. Okay. Ay,
You have to believe in yourself. You have to believe in your ability. You are capable of anything. You can
mhm.
achieve any dream. Please don't limit yourself. Don't live your life limited. It's not all sadness
Thank you din,
and
Ma'am
misery.
Elizabeth. God bless
Life's a
us all. Ma'am
challenge, but you
Ferna,
will
thank you.
succeed. Take
Oh, thank you, Ma'am
control
Ferna.
of how
Kita tayo
you
soon, ha?
feel. In every
Thank you din, Sir Randy.
circumstance,
Ayan, Magnate Alliance
work on
International.
yourself
Ma'am Eden. Ayan,
daily.
thank you.
Your story's
Ma'am
far
Chana,
from done.
anong products sa
The
pwede
best
gusto
is yet to
Noya?
come. To
Stress,
achieve, you
and
must
multivitamin, ma'am.
believe you can live out all your dreams. Persevere, you'll make it through. What you need is all in you. When you believe, you will
Thank you din, Ma'am
achieve.
Jess,
You
ha?
can live out all your dreams. It's about time you knew the truth. You got the power
Thank you din, Miss
all in
Michelle.
you. Whoa. You have to believe in yourself. You don't have to hide anything. You can be your true self. Don't need to follow society. Never forget that you're blessed. Give thanks for everything. Even the hard times will turn out to be blessings.
Sir Vicente Borja, Team
No
Awesome. Good night din po.
matter how you feel, you can learn from your pain. It's there to make you great. Your story's far from done. The best is yet to come. To achieve, you must believe you can live out all your dreams. Persevere, you'll make it through. What you need is all in you. When you believe, you will achieve. You can live out all your dreams. It's about time you knew the truth. You got the power all in you. To achieve, you must believe you can live out all your dreams. Persevere, you'll make it through. What you need is all in you. When you believe, you will achieve. You can live out all your dreams. It's about time you knew the truth. You got the power all in you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone, and I love you. Sa mga gustong mag-share po, you just have to book or let us know kung gusto nyong mag-share sa mga presentations. 5 minutes po, no? Ayan. Product or sa business, we encourage you to be in the presentation. Okay, so bye-bye po. Thank you, Coach Fernan, and thank you, everyone. We love you. Bye-bye.